Okay, just biblically, let's go back. The Bible says, parents, do not exasperate your children.
Oo nga eh. And kids,
Diba? But
honor your parents.
children, honor your father and your mother. So, hindi siya one way. Both have
Their
these
own accountabilities.
instructions from the Lord to pursue and to be accountable for. Diba? But again, healing takes time. I mean, sa atin din naman, when we were processing our own parental wounds, may time talaga na magagalit ka. You have to go through it eh.
Yes. Sabi nga ni James Deacon ba nagsabi nito sa Legend Daddy?
Oh.
Parang once you know the truth about your parents,
You idolize
when
them
you're a
first.
child,
You
you
idolize
idolize
them.
when
When
you're
you're
an adult
teen,
or a teen, yeah,
you vilify them.
or demonize them.
Demonize them.
But then, as you mature and grow older, you humanize them.
Oo, diba? Kasi ngayon, ang lente ko, the way I view my parents, not your parents, our parents, is that's the best they know. That's all they...
It's an issue of
yun na yun.
capacity, eh.
Capacity.
Capabilities
it's an
and
issue
capacity.
of traumas, unprocessed traumas,
Right.
resources.
From their own parents.
We are designed to be part of a family.
Of a community.
Of a community, diba? For some people, it's unfortunate, but grace abounds. You can have family among strangers.
Yeah. Right.
Pwede yun.
Your friends, your trusted friends.
Yeah.